When the first constitution was enforced on 23rd March. Option A 1956. Option B 1957. Option C 1958. Option D 1962. The correct answer is option A 1956. How many total articles of 1956 Constitution? Option A 230. Option B 232. Option C 234. Option D 236. The correct answer is option C 234. How many parts of 1956 Constitution? Option A 11. Option B 13. Option C 15. Option D 17. The correct answer is option B 13. How many schedules of 1956 Constitution? Option A 4. Option B 6. Option C 8. Option D 10. The correct answer is option B 6. Which form of government was introduced in 1956 Constitution? Option A presidential. Option B parliamentary. Option C dictatorship. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option B parliamentary. How many lists were enumerated in 1956 Constitution? Federal list, provincial list and concurrent list. Option A 2. Option B 3. Option C 4. Option D 5. The correct answer is option B 3. The president was the following in 1956 Constitution. Option A head of the state. Option B, Head of the Government. Option C, Head of the Parliament. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Head of the State. How many years the president was to be elected in 1956 Constitution? Option A, 3 years. Option B, 4 years. Option C, 5 years. Option D, 6 years. The correct answer is option C, 5 years. The Prime Minister was following of the House and the head of the Cabinet. Option A, Leader. Option B, Head. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Leader. The National Assembly consisted of the following members, equally divided among the two wings of the country. Option A, 300. Option B, 400. Option C, 500. Option D, 600. The correct answer is option A, 300. The crisis came in following when Sikandar Mirza declared martial law and dismissed central and provincial cabinets. Option A, October 1956. Option B, October 1957. Option C, October 1958. Option D, October 1959. The correct answer is option C, October 1958. General Muhammad Ayub Khan was appointed as option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Chief Martial Law Administrator. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Chief Martial Law Administrator. When General Ayub Khan took over as President? Option A, October 27, 1952. Option B, October 27, 1954. October 27, 1956. October 27, 1958. The correct answer is option D, October 27, 1958. When the first constitution was abrogated and martial law was proclaimed? Option A, May 1958. Option B, June 1958. Option C, October 1958. Option D, December 1958. The correct answer is option C, October 1958. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? Option A, 9th January 1962. Option B, 6th February 1962. Option C, 13th March 1962. Option D, 8th June 1962. The correct answer is option D, 8th June 1962. In formation of first constitution, who played very important role? Option A, Sikandar Mirza. Option B, Muhammad Ali Bogra. Option C, Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Which part was dealing with fundamental rights in 1956 Constitution? Option A, Part 1. Option B, Part 2. Option C, Part 3. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Part 2. Which form of government for the country is provided in 1956 Constitution? Option A, unitary. Option B, federal. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, federal. According to 1956 Constitution, which was the highest court of the country? Option A, Federal Court. Option B, Supreme Court. Option C, High Court. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Federal Court. In 1956 Constitution, minimum age to become president was option A, 35 years. Option B, 40 years. Option C, 45 years. Option D, 50 years. The correct answer is option B, 40 years. The definition of state was provided in article following of the 1956 Constitution. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer is option B 3. When Constitution of 1956 was enforced? Option A 23rd February 1956. Option B 14th August 1956. Option C 23rd March 1956. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option C 23rd March 1956. The Constitution of 1956 consisted following articles and following parts. Option A 240 articles 10 parts. Option B 280 articles 7 parts. Option C 234 articles 13 parts. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option C 234 articles 13 parts. According to Constitution of 1956, which language is declared as national languages? Option A Urdu and Hindi. Option B Urdu and English. Option C Urdu and Bengali. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option C Urdu and Bengali. According to the Constitution of 1956, there shall be following legislature in country. Option A bicameral. Option B unicameral. Option C tricameral. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option B unicameral.